Hey, come to the table. Bring everyone to the table. Gather round the table. I think we're going to table that. Wait, could you put the snacks on the table? Well, the deal is on the table. What am I talking about? There's a whole lot of table in the English language. What? Yeah, today we're going to talk about table. It's a multiple meaning word. This is a table. And this is a table. But in English, especially in business English, we say a lot of sayings with the word table in them. For example, let's bring everyone to the table. Bring everyone to the table? Yeah, let's get everyone to meet. Let's bring everyone to the table. Are you coming to the table? Yeah, I'm coming to the table. I have my notes and everything. Come to the table can also be used at home. Hey, everybody, come to the table. We're going to eat. We're going to come to the table. Can you bring that to the table? In business, we're going to bring everyone to the table. We're going to bring everyone to the discussion. Do we have to have a table? No, we don't have to have a table. But we often say, bring everyone to the table. Come to the table. Bring your ideas. Bring your ideas to the table. Come to the table. When we do that, we gather round the table. Oh, look, everyone's gathered round the table. Excellent. That means they are all at the table. Oh, everyone's at the table. I mean, everyone who we want to be here is here. They are all at the table. What's on the table? Well, you could have a table full of snacks, but when someone starts a meeting with, hey, what's on the table for today? They're meaning what's on the agenda? What is going to be discussed? What is on the table? Okay? But if we want to postpone it and not talk about it right now, we say, hey, let's table that discussion. Let's table that issue for another day. What? Yeah. Let's review. This is a table. That's a table. But if we table a discussion, that means we delay it. We push it off for another day. Got it? If we bring everyone to the table, that means we include everybody. If they all come to the table, that means they all come to the meeting to discuss things. Everybody come to the table. Well, where do they gather? They gather round the table. Oh, everyone gather around the table. You can gather around the table at home. And when we say, hey, what time are we going to gather around the table when we are at home? That means, what time are we going to eat? Like, hey, what time do we gather around the table? Got it. Okay. Now, when everyone's at the table, that means everyone who's supposed to be in the meeting is at the meeting. Okay. And then what we're going to talk about is on the table. What's on the table today? What are we going to discuss today? Okay? And if we don't want to discuss it, what do we say? Yeah, we're going to table it. Yeah, we're going to table the conversation. We're going to table the issue. We're going to delay it for another day. Got it? Table can be that. Table can be that. And table can also mean you're going to delay something. Why does English have so many uses for the word table, especially in business? I don't know, but now you know the many uses and meanings of the word table. Or is it that table? I don't know. Which use or meaning do you find most helpful? Leave it in the comments. And don't table it. Leave it. Okay? Peace, friends.